everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I have something I'm really excited about. I think we're all really excited because if you don't know who Amrezy is, welcome to 2018. She is like the queen of makeup and highlight, and I have been adoring her for like years now, and I'm so excited because she did a collaboration with Anastasia Beverly Hills for the Amrezy highlighter. I think we have all been really excited about this collaboration. The most exciting thing on my channel is that I got two because I'm giving one away in my next giveaway along with a soft glam palette. So I literally just finished filming this first impressions review tutorial type video on the soft glam palette, so I'll go ahead and link that down below, and I will also link the giveaway down below. I'm just dying to see what the hype is all about, so let's go ahead and see if Anastasia nailed this formula. Okay, before I go into this disclaimer, because I know there's gonna be a lot of comments about this because there's haters on YouTube, my lashes are magnetic Ardell lashes, and it's like impossible to get them to stick on the outer corners, and the reason why I did this is because I'm getting my eyelash extensions refilled like right after I'm filming this, so I don't want to get lash glue stuck between my lashes because that'll be a lot of work for the eyelash person to get my lashes on. I know that they look like they're lifting in the corners, but that's literally how magnetic lashes are. So if you want to complain about my lashes, you can do so in the comments down below, but I already know that they look crazy. Anyways, back to the highlighter palette. This is the packaging. It's so pretty. It's so Amrezy and so Anastasia. And it really is like the most beautiful thing I have ever seen as far as it comes to highlighter. It has like this like textured like wave. Oh my god, I need to get this on my face right now. Okay, so let me get my cheeks ready. Here we go. I'm using a Real Techniques highlighter brush, and is it even picking up pigment? I don't know. I see the highlighter going on. I don't know if you guys can see it from the camera lens, but it really is glowy. I'm not the most impressed, I'm sorry, but it's definitely not the most amazing highlighter I have ever used in my life. Let me just like think about this for a second. Okay, so I don't know what to say because I'm not like crazy about it. I'm gonna go ahead and take my finger and put some on my nose because maybe it'll go on better with the finger. I feel like it kind of looks a little chunky and patchy. It's not the best highlighter, it's not the worst highlighter, it's literally just a highlighter, and I'm happy to support Anastasia and Amrezy because I do like both people that took part in this collaboration, but I just don't know how I feel about the highlighter. I think I just have to like let it grow on me, but first impressions, I don't think that it's anything like, you know, crazy. So if you want to try this highlighter for yourself, go ahead and subscribe because that's the first step to entering my giveaway, and then click on the video down below to enter to win not only the Amrezy highlighter but also the soft glam palette. And of course my first impressions and review of this look with the soft glam palette is also linked down below. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't hate me because I'm sharing my honest opinion. That's what my YouTube channel is all about. So I'll see you guys in my next video.